In this video, we're going to calculate the length of the tangent from the point -5, 8 to the circle. So essentially, we are going to calculate PT, this distance. So as we know, the line from the center to where the tangent touches the circle is at a right angle to the tangent itself. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have a right-angled triangle, and whenever we have a right-angled triangle, we use the Pythagoras theorem. So our Pythagoras theorem would be a square plus b square equals c square. So this would be our a, our b, and the hypotenuse, our c. So what we're looking for is the a square. So the a, yeah, the red. So we have a square equals c square minus b square. Yeah, so this is how we can find a square. So now we said already our a is pt. Then that would mean our c is pc, and our b is ct squared. Okay, so we need to find PC and we need to find CT. So the first thing is we need to actually find what is the point C, the center. So we can look at our equation of the circle, and we know that this is 2g and this is 2f. So that would mean our g is -2 and our f is -3. And we know that this the center is given by -g and -f, which means the center is 2, 3. So this is 2, 3. So we can now calculate b as well, because as we can see, this is the radius. Yeah, so b is the radius. Again, we look at our equation of the circle and calculate the radius. So the radius is the root of g square plus f square minus c. Our c is the +3. So we just put our information in. So it is the root of, what did we say? G is -2 square, f is -3 square, and minus c would be -3. So if you calculate this, that would give us root 10. So the radius is root 10. So now we need to calculate c. Yeah, so the distance between P and C. So P and C. That is just the distance between 2 points. So that would be our calculation for that one. 2 minus -5, so 2 plus 5 square plus the root, plus 3 minus 8 all square. So if we calculate this, we get 49 plus 25, which is root 74. So we now have our right angle triangle. We know this is root 10, and we know that this is root 74. So a square is now, so this is a. So a square is c square, which root 74 all squared is 74, minus root 10 squared is 10. So a square equals 64. Then we take the root, and a equals 8. So the distance, this red distance here is 8.